Hi viewers, I am Sikandar Rafiq and on this channel Elatesoft, I will show you how to use different technologies and language constructs to build useful software components and items. In today's video, I will show you how to develop a Emoticons widget in Qt C++. So by the end of these two videos, we will create this type of Emoticon widget. So here you will see this is the emoticons, smileys and people. Another tab is for animals and nature. You can select any emoticon, for example this one, and the third one is food and drink, and the next is travel and places. Okay, then another tab is activities. The next one is objects and the symbols, and the last one is flags. So in this emoticon widget, you can use any emoticon and send them to any um, text edit or any other component, and even any other application, to Android application, to Qt application, etc. So one more thing in this is the search box. So for example, you type smiley, so you will find all the images with the short name smileys. Let's see what are tigers. Tiger. So here is the tigers item. So this type of widget I am right now going to build. So this is the my project. I will show you. I'm using the Twitter icons. So here you will see. So this is the Json file I'm using. I'm downloading it from ttps github.com/iamcl/emoji data. So this is the website URL. Okay, I will show you. So this is the file which I have shown to you from that URL, from this URL I have shown. Yeah, emoji_pretty.json file. So I have downloaded it, and then here is the file. Here is the format. So this is the one emoji, emoticon. So it has name, unified, non qualified, see Docomo and SoftBank, and this is the short names. So all this is the JSON data. So for parsing of this data, JSON data, I am using this the JSON file, which is also downloaded from, I have downloaded from GitHub. So I will show you. So this is the file. I have downloaded github.com/qt-json/qt-json. So you can download it from this file, json.h, and this json.cpp file. So here I will show you. So no need to reinvent the wheel. You can download this file for parsing of the JSON. You can parse any type of object, which is the object, column, arrays, etc. Okay, another thing I want to show you that I am using the Twitter icons, right? And Twitter icons I have downloaded it from github.com/twe emoji. So this is the icons, 16 by 16 pixels icon and 36 by 36 pixel icons. So what I did is I have downloaded the Emoticons and place in the folder. I will show you. So this is my build and debug. So I have placed this folder, Emoticons folder. Here you can see that all the PNGs files. So this is the 16 by 16 PNGs file. So you can have a choice. You can use any type of pixel, 16 by 16 or 32 by 32. So this is the 32 by 32 pixels, right? So as I have shown you, I have the smaller subset of this emoji pretty data file, because some of data is no longer needed by me, so I have just make it shortened, so emoji data.json file. So now let's go to the Qt project now. First of all, I will show you, so this is my main window. I will show you the UI file, so which has some, this is the content frame over here, this is the header frame, which has this one button to open the dialog, emote icon, pop-up widget, and this, then we have a content frame. So here I will show you, this is the UI of main window.ui file. So here you can see that this is the central widget, which has one vertical layout, and inside vertical layout I have a widget header file. So this is my header file. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this whole thing is header, as you can see. Header file contain the push button and horizontal spacer, and then we have another push button. So three components in this widget, three items. Then we have content frame. This is the content frame where you can see that we have a text edit, we have a vertical spacer, we have a image viewer layout. So here I will show you. So this is the content frame, then we have a vertical layout. All the items you can place in the vertical layout or a horizontal layout. So it depends upon the requirements. So vertical layout has one image viewer layout, another vertical layout which contains the empty. So then we have a spacer, vertical spacer, and then we have a edit box. This edit box, when you click on the emote icon, it will edit into this edit box. So I'm adding all the emote icons in this image viewer layout. So this is my main window. So I will show you the UI of emote icon pop-up widget. So this is the emote icon pop-up widget looks like. It has, I will show you the UI file of Emoticons. It has some style sheets. So push button, I have added some styles: border, background color, transparent, and this color. And if it is a pressed, then change background color to this. And if Q push button is pressed, then border is none and background color is transparent. I will show you later on. So here is a vertical layout. Vertical layout has some items, Q line edit, yeah, this one, search line edit box. Okay, then we have a tabs widget. So tabs widget, I will show you what is the tabs widget. Yeah, this is the tab widget. All the items. So as you can see, that tabs widget is a Q widget. It has the some push buttons, horizontal spacer. Then we have some push buttons. For the tabs, I will choose this horizontal, and then we have all the push buttons. Then we have a horizontal spacer and other. So this is my tab widget. So all the push buttons over here, and then we have, so this layout has two items, three items in fact. One is Q line edit, then another is tabs widget, and another is scroll area. So this is the scroll area. Scroll area has what it contains. It also contains the scroll area widget contents widget. So which is the vertical layout, and vertical layout, it only contains one item, grid layout, in which we will add the our emoticons. So this is the UI of my emoticon widget. Now I will go to the main window. So this is my main window. I have just connected the open button and connected to this is my header file, constructor and destructor, and then we have two slots, emoticon clicked and emoticon clicked with some text parameters. I will explain it later on. So I have connected this open button with the on emoticon click button. Okay. So in this function, I'm creating the pop-up widget and connecting to this function. Whenever this my pop-up emit the button clicked with a string, it will call this function. So I'm just calling the load emoji data functions over here. So this is the pop-up widget. Okay, what I am doing over here is I am just creating smiley commonly used files because I want to add this in the at the start of the this widget, right? So now over here I am just connecting my each button, this button, these buttons, click event. So I'm connecting it to the populate functions. The next is the populated function is empty. I will add the functionality later on. So what I am doing over here is I'm just text box. If you add text change function is emitted, signal is emitted, I'm just calling the populate search. I will add later on this slot. So what I am doing over here is I am just deleting the scroll area widget and then setting the button widget to the child of this scroll area, right? So I'm setting the set column width. Set column width is, this is the function I'm setting the each column some specific length by dividing by the column count. So column count is, I have 9 column counts. So here is my row height and text length. So this is the for the time being implementation of Emoticon pop-up widget. Now let's move. What we are doing is the load emoji data functions. So this is the another class. Its responsibility is to load this data, this JSON emoticon JSON data. So I will explain what it is doing is. So here is the constructor is doing nothing. Load is the default constructor. Load, so in destructor, what I'm doing is I will explain destructor later on. First, load emoji data is loading this file, emoji data.json. As I have explained to you, I am using current one, this one, which is the shortened JSON file. This is the subset of this file. So here is the implementation of the load file function. It's just current file and this file name which I am passing over here. Opening the file, and the file opens successfully. It reads all the data and returns the data as a string. So here is the simple implementation of this. Then I am passing the parts to list because it's a list. As you can see that this is the list. So what I'm doing over here is I am parsing this to qvariant list by using the qt JSON file which I have explained to you earlier. This is the file, qt JSON file. Check the return value. If OK is not false, it's false, not true. False, true. Then return. It may have some error condition over here, issue in parsing a JSON file. Okay, then for each loop, for each parsing this each emoji data. In parsing of this, what we are doing is we are mapping this to a qvariant map, because this is the qvariant map object. So I am mapping it to a qvariant map. This is the name, unified, non-qualified and category. So here is some data I am getting over here. All the data is in string form. You can see that this is the name, unified, non-qualified, and this is the another one is category. category is yeah, this is the category. The symbol is symbol. What I'm searching over here is so each emoticon is categorized into different categories: symbols, food, and travels, etc. So over here I am adding a short name into this array. So this is string to emoji data pointer array. So over here you can see that this is the short names. I am saving this short name, and then we have a text, adding this text into this text. Map is the string to emoji data pointer. Okay. Another thing is I am now adding the emoji data. Yeah, this is the another Q map which is the string to unified to yeah, this is the unified name of the emote icon. So what I am doing is inserting this all unified. If it is the non-qualified is not empty, then prefer to add it, otherwise add the unified. So if any this one is not empty, then use this, otherwise unified. So load file I have explained to you. So this is another function. I will explain it to you later on, but it just what it does, it checks whether this emoji is belong to the specific category. All other categories are just return false, and then it's only returning the emote icon to the relevant category images. This is the search items, as I have explained to you. If you search using the short names, so I will populate short names and add these items and return these items. So if you run this project, so what it did is it will just create the simple widget. It has not populated any emote icons yet. So we will populate these emote icons in the next video. So in this video I will show you the UI of my main window UI and the pop-up widget UI and set UI files, and how I have classified and organized my things and create the views. So in the next video we will create and add this functionality to populate emote icons in this widget. So thank you so much viewers for watching this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel Elatesoft. Thanks again.